udah jadi guys, ini dia. Teman-teman, ketemu lagi dan saya Sofi. Hari ini saya mau buat bakwan bulat. Nah, di sini yang kita butuhkan adalah tepung terigu, air, dan kaldu ayam, wortel, toge, daun bawang, dan sayur. Kali ini kita tidak membutuhkan minyak ya, karena wajan cetakan ini anti minyak, anti lengket. Mari kita mulai membuatnya. Ini pertama-tama ada air, kita masukkan ke tepung terigu. Ini kita aduk-aduk ya guys. Kaldu ayam 3 sendok. Selanjutnya kita masukkan semua sayur. Ini sayur kol ya teman-teman.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer
Ini
in the
wortel.
dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the
Kita
wife.
masukkan semuanya ya guys.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi
Selanjutnya
ho the
toge.
dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the
Selanjutnya
cow.
kita
Cow
masukkan ke
takes
sini
the
ya
dog,
guys.
the cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Kita tunggu matang ya guys. Kita buka ya guys. Panas.